Welcome back, folks, to another video. I want to talk about my design engineer fuel rail and injector wrap kit that I bought to try to stop my misfire issue that I've been having. So as you can see, I have the kit installed. I've had it for about a year now, and to tell you the truth, it did not fix my issue. I still get my check engine and my misfire. Granted, it's not as bad as it used to be, where I would get a flashing check engine light because it would be misfiring in multiple cylinders. But as far as getting the actual fix, it did not do that. Like I said, it helped some, but not enough to prevent it from doing that. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put vents in the hood, because it's more of a issue when you're parked, not when you're driving. When you're driving, you get the air going through and it cools it off. But once you stop, the air doesn't escape, or the hot air doesn't escape, and you end up having this issue. So, I know a lot of people have been asking if what's my review after a year of having this thing on, and that's my 2 cents, I guess. So, like I said, it will help you a little bit. You know, I mean, like I said, I haven't had a flashing check engine light ever since I put this on, but I still get that, you know, I think it's cylinder number 3 that always misfires, and it's due to the heat soak issue, since, you know, everything's so tight up here. You got the exhaust, the header, and then you got the intake manifold sitting right on top of it, and causes that issue. So I think the vents in the hood is the way to go to try to prevent that from happening. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope that helps you with any questions that if you're having the same issues like I did before. And I purchased this kit, it's like $60 or so. I'll put a link in the description so you can take a look for yourself. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.